Hi, my name is Mir Hamdan and I'm the retail manager of Qatar. Qatar operates the largest tire outlet chain across 10 different locations in Qatar. We have been in the business for over 60 years with the mission to provide customers with quality tire services tailored to their comfort and safety. Our commitment to quality couldn't have been realized without the expertise of our technicians combined with the best innovative equipment in the business, primarily Hunter. We have been using Hunter wheel alignment machine and wheel balancing rod force since 2005. We have received an average of 600 customers per week, with more than 70% require wheel alignment and balancing services for luxury to mid-range type of vehicles. In order to meet this high demand, accuracy, speed, and efficiency are essential to our daily operations. Hunter wheel alignment makes our job easier. It performs alignments at any height with 100% accuracy, provides easy-to-follow illustrations, and the best part is, it generates a printout report which makes it easier for us to explain to our customers what needs to be done. Because of this, we have gained the trust and confidence of our customers and retained business with them. A main revenue generator in our business comes from wheel alignment. Even if our customers have their tires changed at our competitors, they will come to have wheel alignment at Qatar. We also have the Hunter rod force for wheel balancing. You can never go wrong with this equipment. It works fast and produces accurate reading that easily solves wheel vibration problems thanks to its safe weight memory feature, pinpoint laser weight indication, and rim profile laser scanner. It saves us a lot of time and money operation-wise. To ensure that we are providing quality service to our customers, all garage equipment at Qatar is calibrated on a quarterly basis and with experienced technicians. The workmanship using Hunter equipment assures customer high quality service. This is the recipe of success at Qatar. As a company, we can proudly say we are a happy Hunter customer, not just for making our job easier, but also because it delivers results that make our customers happy and safe, knowing that their tires are in an excellent condition. Hunter has contributed to our commitment to provide premium facilities and services to our customers, which has resulted in a high customer retention rate.